To make your 100 rupees headphone to sound like 1000 rupees one. First go to Play Store. Then search for Burn-in headphone. Next you have to search for one more assistant. Then you will have to install it. And open the app after installed and insert your headphone into audio jack. Then start the play button. Make sure the volume level is 20 or less than 20, so you do not damage your headphone. Then you can hear the noise played in the headphone, and it is the burn-in process. Leave the headphone aside in a safe place. You will have to play this sound for almost 1 hour to see the change. Use this app whenever you get time, and you will see the change for yourself. Share this with your friends. And enjoy listening to the best music experience in your life. Thank you. Subscribe to All Is Well.